In today's video, I'm going to teach you Pathfinder panel intersect. If you've ever needed to carve out the exact portion where two shapes overlap in your design, intersecting the Pathfinder panel is the cleanest, most precise way to do it. Think of it as telling Illustrator, only keep the area where these shapes meet and discard the rest. It's perfect for logos, icons, and anytime you want a crisp geometric cutout. Start by selecting the shapes you want to intersect. Use the selection tool to click the first shape, then shift-click to add the others. You can also drag a selection marquee around them if that's quicker. A quick tip here, Intersect works with vector shapes, so make sure you're working with filled paths. It uses the actual shape outlines, not the visual thickness of strokes, so what you see from a thick stroke won't be included unless it's part of the path itself. Next, open the Pathfinder panel. If you don't see it on your workspace, go to the window menu and choose Pathfinder. This opens a compact panel with shape modes at the top. Intersect is the third icon, and it looks like two overlapping circles with only the center area highlighted. If you hover over it, you'll see its name. With your shapes still selected, click Intersect. Instantly, everything outside the overlapping region disappears, leaving you with a clean, single shape made from that shared area. By default, the resulting shape takes on the appearance, fill and stroke of the topmost object in your selection, so if you care which color survives, arrange the stacking order before you intersect. A few practical tips to keep your workflow smooth. If you don't get a result, it usually means the shapes aren't actually overlapping. Nudge them until they do. If Pathfinder seems unresponsive, check that nothing is locked and that you're using vector objects, not images. To keep your originals safe, it's smart to duplicate them first, so you can go back if you want a different outcome later. Also, if other artwork is getting in your way, lock those layers so you only select what you need. After intersecting, you can adjust the new shape like any other vector object, change its color, add a stroke, or refine the anchor points. The operation is clean and non-messy, giving you a professional result in just a click. That's all there is to it. Select the shapes, open window, Pathfinder, and